Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I will show you how to change currency on stake.com. So first of all, you need to log into your account. So if you have got the difficulty with the currencies and it's quite difficult for you to understand how much money you have because there are a lot of cryptocurrencies, they have got different rates to USD. I'll show you the solution, how to change this crypto balance into, for example, USD or Euro, guys. So you need to scroll this down and go to the wallet settings. Right here, you need to turn on display crypto in fiat. Right here, you need to turn this on. And then you need to choose your favorite currency, guys. For example, I will choose USD because it's the most popular one. And then you need to click this green save button. So after you will set these settings, you will see all of your crypto balance into USD, guys. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.